From open museums to perfect cafe weather, there's no shortage of things to do this weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Where are you from and what are your plans for the weekend?
So we are from Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and we are here visiting family. So that's the plan.
So just go around the city and just have fun.
From Mexico, and I'm visiting Trieste.
I am from a little town near Bologna, and I'm standing here, and my plans for the weekend are like enjoying the city where I live now, and have some fun and some chill with myself and some friends maybe.
So I'm from France. On this weekend is gonna be a bit tiring because I go home. So it's gonna be my last day in Ljubljana because normally I stay there and I just stay here for one day in Trieste. So it's gonna be a 17-hour trip of bus.
We're from Germany and we're going home tomorrow. It's our first day here, we're just doing a day trip, and till now it's really nice. I think we like it. Yeah.
I'm from Bari, and I think we're gonna just visit the city for the weekend because my boyfriend came to visit me, so I want to show him the city.
Same, I'm from Bari as well. We're planning to go like Trieste and close to Trieste. For example, on Tuesday we're going to Venice just to visit the city, and that's it.